welcome to my ranch.
So it seems that I've been rather foolish for some time, trying to chase a life, the dreams I should have left behind. You told me go on a sea where they might lead you in the end. You never know until you've seen it all for yourself.
Hi, today is, we just chilled yesterday. Now I'm gonna go lounge at the pool, and that'll probably be it. I think at 3 we're gonna feed Oliver. I don't know if I'll show that. Yeah, we're just chilling by the pool today. We got some snacks. We got cucumber, carrots, chips and salsa, and guac. We're drinking margs, but obviously I'm not gonna have that. I'm gonna fill up my water and then go out there. This one I got from Target. It's Simple Modern. It's the only one I've been able to find that actually keeps my ice cold while at the pool. So I 10 out of 10 recommend snagging this brand. It's like $20 at Target. It's amazing. Oh well, and it looks like I peed myself because my bathing suit, y'all. That's why it looked like that. I didn't pee myself. Okay, so my Uncle Matt is gonna take me through mucking some stalls. So that's what we're gonna do. You know, we've got the fit. Howdy. Yeehaw. Oh my god, yeah, I'm wearing all white. Climb over? Am I gonna get electrocuted? Oh my god, I haven't got a winner.
One more step.
Where's the second one?
The bottom.
Go down through the gate.
Where's the gate? Oh my god. I just shoveled it.
Don't dig too deep. Just kind of keep it down.
But
Yeah, we're gonna be here a while. Glad it's a sunny day. Howdy.
Howdy.
Here's your poop, y'all.
Is this enough?
Yeah, I'm just gonna rinse that out, put that back so where the feed goes.
Nature. Alright, y'all, I'm done. Dogs are over at 2. I think they're right, Darla. I'm gonna jump in the pool. Hi. Say hi. Say hi. You hot? For the photos, so. Did you get that?
I think I got part of it.
Is that yummy? One more, and that's all. That's all. Oh.
You gave him a lot.
Oh, I'm sorry. Is he okay?
I'm sure he's fine. He's got to take a long.
Apple's down there. Oliver.
He's got to chew it.
Hi guys. Not having a good hair day. But anyways, I'm back from visiting my aunt and uncle. Back in my apartment. I had fun. I got lots of sun. My scalp got burnt really bad in my forehead. It hurts. I quickly want to thank the sponsor of today's video, which is My Protein. Thank you so much, My Protein, for sponsoring this video. They sent me a cute little package. They have a new protein coming out, which is the Way Forward. It's sugar-free, and this is the packaging. It's animal-free, super cute. Hopefully it's still... And they sent me a cute little note. And then a shaker bottle. You can never have too many. And then these are the 3 flavors. I'm not sure how many there are. I'll have to double check. Like 3 flavors. I kind of want to do a taste test. It's 20 grams of protein, but it's reduced carbon impact, 4.7 grams of BCAAs, aids muscle recovery. It is sugar-free. Yikes. Can you come out? So here is the creamy mint chocolate chip. I'm super excited most about this flavor just because I've never tried a mint chocolate chip protein. So I think this would be really good. I'll probably drink this after the gym. And then they have, they're tied up in there. Decadent chocolate brownie. And then this one is salted caramel, I'm pretty sure. Yes, rich salted caramel. I'm so excited to try these. I might do a little taste test for y'all, but on separate days just because I don't want to drink 3 in one day. Yeah, don't forget I have a code Bailey MYP that will save you money on your order, so definitely check that out. I will have the link down in the description. Again, thank you so much, My Protein, for sponsoring this video. I absolutely love their products. You guys know it's basically all I use. It's a staple, and so I'm super excited to try this protein and see how it reacts with my IBS. Okay, so I changed into some comfy clothes, just an oversized tee, and I want to try the My Protein Way Forward Creamy Mint Chocolate Chip. Let you guys know what I think. Really done nothing today, but I just got back from a trip, so I'm not gonna cry about it. Oh my god, Thin Mint, like exactly like a Thin Mint. I'm obsessed. This is about to be so good, guys. Imagine if you like made it into a smoothie. I should have done that rather than just water. Like if you made it into a thick, creamy smoothie. Oh, so good. And we're gonna try it. All right, make sure the top is shut. That would be smart. Oh my god, why is it still leaking? Holy cow, y'all. This is so good. And it's just mixed in water. Just imagine if I had mixed it with like milk or ice and like made it into a thick smoothie. I'm not kidding. This is exactly what a Thin Mint tastes like. I'm shocked. Actually, I'm not. I know My Protein has good protein, but like, wow. Because it's animal free, so it probably won't mess with my IBS. If you're looking for an animal-free protein that tastes actually good, definitely try out the Way Forward. And again, my code Bailey and MYP will save you money. I'm gonna chug this. I'm probably gonna end up the vlog here because it's no longer the weekend, and this was a weekend in my life. So yeah, thank you so much, My Protein, for sponsoring this video. Definitely give this protein a try because guys, you will not be disappointed, especially with the mint chocolate chip flavor. I'm obsessed. Yeah, thank you for watching. Give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.